Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show how to download WRB World Reference Based Soil Resource and how to prepare it in ArcMap. Also, I'll explain how to classify it at the manual of WRB map for Soil Resource 2016. I will explain it after download this map and how to prepare it in Excel. So here, just go to Google and type here soil grids. Then your first link soilgrids.org and click it here. After clicking here, you will be directed this page, and here you can find soil classification in this left hand side, and click it here soil classes, and after that you can find World Reference Base 2016 soil group. This is the map for soil reference base map. You can download it here, the download section. Just click it this download section, and then this interface will be open. Here the soil grid and WSIS. WSIS a point based data and soil grid is raster based data. So click it soil grids here, and then select your layer. Here you can select by soil classes, soil classification, world reference base, soil group, latitude and longitudinal option, and according to my study area, I'll download it. Here you can find it from 88 to 90 and from 25 to 27. It's okay for me because we can download it by 2 into 2. So here longitude 88, type here 88 to 90, and here minimum 25 to 27. Okay, now download 250 meter layer. Click it. The spatial resolution 250 meter. Here the out CTIF. Now here ArcMap. Just make it hollow first. Then edit this group. Soil class. Download section. Out C, this one. And it's asks about the coordinate system. Here you can find 0 to 29. That's mean 30 soil classification. So just right click here. Again, go to this properties, and you can find here the unique value. Click it this unique value. Yes. And here 0, 2, 6, 11, 26 and 29. It's okay, and click it okay and okay. First of all, I want to clip it according to my study area. So here just select your select features tool, this one. Just select it and go to this windows. Here the image analysis. If you select it, this one, then here the option clip. Okay, if you clip it, just go to here this option. If you click it, then it will be cut like this one. So no need to this previous version, remove it. So here you can find the soil class 0, 2, 6, 11, 12, 16, 18, 24, 29. So again right click here, go to properties. Here you have to type here the name. So instead of 0, you have to write here 0 mean ArcGIS. Take a copy, select it and Ctrl C, that's mean copy, and paste here. Again go to this here, see this one 2 mean here alisol. I'll also explain the characteristics of this soil. You can convert it according to your local name also using this technique. Paste here, then 6, okay, 6 here cambisol. Ctrl V paste and Ctrl C copy, you know very well. Then 11 mean here fluvisol. Again 12 glacial. Select it and take a copy, and again go to here and labeling glacial. 16, 18. Now 16 leptosol. Click it here, leptosol. Then 18 Logisol, take a copy, paste here. 24, Regosol, 29. So here 0 to 29, that's been 30 soil groups. You can also download the soil subgroup. I'll explain it in another tutorial. Okay, now this is my soil. So you can add here insert and legend. No need to add it, remove it first. So okay, here the legend. You can add it, go to properties, and have the general, WRB, World Reference Base 2016. Apply and OK. And right click, go to properties, style, select according to your choice, like this one, apply and OK. Increase the size, font size 14, apply and OK. Now it's OK. Add your north arrow, here the north arrow, OK. Increase size. It's always better in right hand upper side. And again insert at the scale bar. Okay, it's better. 20 kilometer. You can increase the size or like drag drop this way. Okay. Now read this manual here. World Reference Base for Soil Resource 2016. A framework, international classification, correlation and communication. You can find it was prepared by IUSS, ISRIC and FAO. You can find in 79 pages entire. Description, distribution, use and management of reference soil group. You can find details here. The ArcGIS first one. ArcGIS are soil that have higher clay content in the subsoil than in the topsoil as a result of perizonic process, especially clay migration. So you can add here leading to an arctic subsoil horizon. ArcGIS, you can find here all the details. Like ArcGIS mean what? ArcGIS mean red yellow podzolic soil in Indonesia, ArcGIS in Brazil, red and yellow earth, altisol with low activity in United States of America. So here the various name, local name in this description. You can find the characteristics, you can find the connotations, you can find the parent materials, profile development, regional distribution of artificial soil. You can find all the details. Then if you read it, this one, then you can use it in your research. Like here you can find low input farming on artificial is not very rewarding. Here you can find the suitable crops such as pineapple, cashew, tea, rubber can be grow with some success. So in this way you can find all the details of this soil. I will give you this manual in the description below. Please download it and please subscribe my channel. I will try to upload new videos and new way. If you support me, then I can provide you the new tutorials. Thank you viewers for watching this tutorial.